Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to use NotebookLM. It is a Google AI-powered research and note-taking tool perfect for students, researchers, writers, and anyone who wants to organize and understand information faster. If you are a beginner, don't worry. This is a full step-by-step guide for you. 2025. Let's jump in. So first of all, what is NotebookLM? So NotebookLM, short for Notebook Language Model, is an AI assistant from Google designed to help you read, summarize, and ask questions about your documents. Think of it like having a smart research assistant that can pull, insist, highlight key points, and help you generate content based on your notes. So first of all, how to access this NotebookLM? So to get started, you just need to visit on notebooklm.google.com. Then you just need to be sign in, or you can view their plans. They have some couple of plans. There is a pro plans also. So I'm just going to click on NotebookLM and try NotebookLM. Once I click over here, they will give us the NotebookLM reading for. I will ignore it, then click on create new notebook. Once I click over here, notebook is currently available in select regions. Make sure you are logged into a supported account. So important resource or sources, let me talk about it. To make the most of NotebookLM, you need to add source material, like you can import Google Docs, PDF file, text file, your own written notes, and you can click add source and connect your Google Drive or upload files directly. Let me give you a pro tip, that is use organized Google Docs as your source for best result. So here you can see this is the source panel. You can discover source or you can directly use it. So let's go and let's upload some sources over here. So I'm going to search an YouTube video. Let's go, let's enter on it, and then let's search for space X business model, and then let's wait a bit. And here I'm going to copy this link address, and here I'm going to upload sources. So here we have couple of options. You can upload sources from your desktop or your laptop, or you can use Google Drive. Similarly, you have the options for link and you can paste text. So I'm going to use this YouTube on, and then I'm going to paste my YouTube URL here. Just click on insert, and here you can see it has been generating a summary, and then here you can see this is the summary. Analyzing private companies, SpaceX study. The source offers a guide understand performance and potential of private company, focusing on SpaceX as a detailed example. It outlines key areas of analysis, including the founder's background, the product or service offered, the market and competition. As you can see, we already get the summary. So here you can see we have some highlight key topics over here. If you click on mind map, here you will get options in the right corner generating the mind map. You can click on any sections to get more detail, refresh, summarize, or expand explanations using AI. This is a great for students reviewing textbook or researchers processing academic paper. So here you can see, let's go deep dive conversation. If you click on generate, it will give you further more information about this context. So let's ask questions with AI. So now here is where it gets powerful. You can ask NotebookLM questions like what the main, like let's search, start typing, what are the 3 main points from this video. Just hit enter button, and then it will take a while to summarize this article in one paragraph, then explain this in a simple terms and give me a list of pros and cons. Here as you can see, this is the thing. Sterling represent measure opportunity and drive for specifics, and they give us three options over here. Then we ask for three main points. Similarly, they give us, and it reads your source and answer based only on those materials. No outside info will they get or give us. So this make it ideal for our focused research writing and studying. So now you can summarize any YouTube video, book, or whatever things you have, you can do it in here. If you want to start more conversation there, you can find out some of options here. They already suggested us that name three specific competitors. Just click over here and you will get eventual result. So here you can see one is Blue Origin, then second is United Launch Alliance, third one is Boeing and Lockheed Martin. So this way you can deep down your research on it. And let's go ahead and talk about taking notes and creating leads. On the right panel, you can take your own notes, generate ideas, or drop new content using AI. In here, you can see the right corner, we have note options. You can write blog posts based on your source. Just click on add note and you can similarly add your note over here. Just copy this one. Let's copy in and paste it here. And here just click on studio and our note has been saved over here. As you can see, you can click on study guide. Like, it is really helpful for outline essay or report that generate FAQs, create content ideas from research note, and also the main thing is you can even label and organize note within each notebook. So once you've done, the second step will be how you can export or share this research with your colleague or your collaborators. When you are ready to share a zip, you can export your summaries and notes to Google Docs. How you can do it? Here we have couple of options here. You will find out to share it. Just click three dot button, or you can click over here and convert all notes to sources. Here you can see analyze and they give us the voice.
Trying to get a handle on what's really happening.
Here you can see they already give us a summary of this video, that private company, the specific group. So now let's talk about the export. You can export your summaries and notes to Google Docs. You just need to copy and paste generated answer or invite collaborators to your notebooks. So here you just need to click on share and here you can invite people to collaborate with you. So the process is really simple. It is not as much difficult. It is so simple. You just need to understand the process, how you need to use this NotebookLM. So it is perfect for teams working on research or student doing group project. So let's talk about use cases. Like, best uses for using this NotebookLM is academic research, then content creation and blogging, then business and project notes, then personal knowledge management, and summarize long PDF reports. And let me give you a bonus tips in this last session, that is keep your source short and relevant. Ask a specific question and break the big files into smaller ones for better AI accuracy. So let's wrap up the video in here, and that's your complete beginner to NotebookLM in 2025. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Google AI tools. Thanks for watching.